Hello, my name is Milton, and this is my math quiz walkthrough. You look on the screen, you can see everything is the way they had it. Trying to use my part principles by using the same consistent boxes, keeping everything in alignment, having the stuff separated so I have the timers a little bit off from where the different calculations are and all that. The date's a little bit off-centered, so you know that's totally separate from everything else. You'll see that I have my own little icon there for the work that I do. I have my name in the title bar, as was requested. We start this quiz. You can see the timer there, and it's working. It's counting down. If I put in the right answer, I should get a beep. Let me see here. So let's go. What's that? 34. 34. And then this is a 54 or 50. 50. It's 14. 14. And then 5. Alright, got all the answers right. Cool. Barely 2 seconds to go. But anyway, so all that stuff works correctly. Let's go ahead and start it again, and let's look at you'll notice when you got below 5 seconds that the background did turn red on the timer. So this one here, I'm going to let it just go down. So I'll do 45, not the correct answer, so I'm not getting my beep. If I do 85, then I get my little beep. This one here would be 38. Get my beep. I'm running out of time here, which is what I want to do. And the last one, not going to get to it. Oh, time's up, didn't finish in time. Everything worked fine. Now when it goes out there and I close it out, I get all the right answers, and it gives me beeps for any answers that it didn't get. And it gives me that little time's up. So everything works the way it looks like it should. I'm satisfied with the way everything went down, and look forward to doing more of these projects. Thanks.